It feels so number one. I love having so less decluttering is not meant to. Everything fits. ओट मिल्क में आती है। यही मेरी फेवरेट है, टोस्टेड हेज़लनट डबल चॉकलेट।
ब्राउनी चॉकलेट।
हाँ,
ब्राउनी चॉकलेट।
डबल चॉकलेट है, एगलेस, 100% एगलेस। आज का दिन started on such a good note. Like Leisure Valley, I feel like is the most beautiful park of the city. And हम वहाँ पर जब भी जाते हैं ना, it feels so nice. इस बारी तो I like practically dragged AB to the park. मेरा आज जाने का बहुत ज़्यादा मन था. But you know what? It is getting hotter with each passing day. And अब ना difficult हो रहा है to go for morning walks because like we are already midway through May. First of all, can't believe that, but still like it's gonna be hot, like super hot in a couple of days. I can just feel it. I know the summers they are here. If you can't tell, मुझे summers बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. I made my to-do list कल रात को ही because I wanted to try out this new thing. Let's see कितनी successful होती है. But let's check off the things that I've already done. Number 1, walk. Number 2, make coffee. I do not need to do that because I've already had my morning coffee. I had flat white with oat milk. It is my go-to coffee and मुझे ना बहुत कम जगहों की flat white पसंद है. I think I like Blue Tokai, Third Wave and First Coffee. That's it. I think. Yeah, that's it. Next, I need to order some groceries because वो तो चाहिए. So I think I'm gonna do that next. I'm gonna place a big basket order AB के phone से because मैंने उसमें already 8-9 चीज़ें डाली हुई हैं and I do not want to do it all over again मेरे phone में. So yeah, I'm gonna add a few things that I need tomorrow. I found baby potatoes. I love them. The groceries are here. I'm gonna give you a quick grocery haul. Starting with the most essential item and the most heaviest. Detergent because कपड़े धोने ज़रूरी हैं. A thing of ragi chips. I do not know why, but ये हमेशा इतनी घटिया कंडीशन में आते हैं. But ये चाहिए था. Dishwashing bar, चना दाल, a pack of popcorns, and in the second bag, ghia. This is huge. Zucchini, some cute say baby potatoes. I love having these, but these are dirty, so I'm gonna put them back in. And Agapi ka Greek yogurt. This time I did not get the peach flavor, but strawberry flavor is good too. So the next thing on my list is to clean and organize this drawer. I meant to clean out this thing जब मैंने last अपनी decluttering वाली video करी थी, but I think I procrastinated it. I think it was February, March, April, May, 4 months. आज वो दिन आ गया है. I'm gonna do that because इसमें ना इतनी सारी चीजें हैं. Either they are expired or I've forgotten about them. पहले I used to be so experimental with my makeup, eyeshadow और भी बहुत कुछ, lips and everything. But आजकल I found that मैं ना बस बेसिक मेकअप करती हूँ एंड दैट्स इट. बट आई रियली डू वांना गेट बैक इनटू इट. फॉर दैट टू हैपन मुझे देखना तो पड़ेगा व्हाट ऑल आई हैव एंड वील हैव टू स्टार्ट समवेयर. First, I think I'm gonna go through the lippies because इसमें बहुत सारे expired हैं. I really need to get rid of them. मुझे ना attachment issues हो जाते हैं and then I just can't throw things away. Especially these. These are some liquid lipsticks. I have repurchased this product twice. मतलब ये पूरा पैक आता है. But the thing is, इसके जितने भी lighter shades हैं ना, they dry out my lips a lot. तो मैं ना वो use नहीं करती ज़्यादा. I think I'm gonna keep a few shades and probably give it to someone or throw them out. मेरे लिए ना ये बहुत difficult है. I totally forgot about this palette. I specifically got it for these red and pink blush. कई बारी मुझे ना चाहिए होता है. I just forgot it existed. एक ये palette है that I can't seem to just give away or get rid of because इसमें एक ये contour shade है that I really love a lot. A very old Chanel eyeshadow palette that EB gifted me in 2017 and I still have it. I never throw this away. Like, Chanel is not meant to be given away or thrown ever. I feel like I have enough powder puffs for the entire neighborhood. Like, look at them. I know ये उतना organized नहीं लग रहा, but believe me, I know where everything is. And थोड़ा सा तो better लग रहा है, not gonna lie. Like, I know where my palettes are and I know where all my lipsticks are. So yeah, one more task done. And this is everything that I'm gonna throw away because ये expire हो चुका है. Also, I found two really cute things. पहले तो ये छोटा सा like lip gloss from Bobbi Brown. Look at the size, it's so teeny tiny. I'm gonna try to finish this up. But the second thing, look how pretty. I got this from Lay last year in 2024. I mean, just look at it. Folding the laundry. I do not like it, but करना पड़ेगा. I just got done with clearing out my phone. इतनी photos and videos हैं and I already have iCloud. Like, मेरे पास 200 GB है but वो भी भरा रहता है. So I had to desperately get rid of some old stuff, some old screenshots, videos. अभी भी कुछ बाकी है. Like, I need to transfer थोड़ा सा और data to my hard drive, but वो I can do that tomorrow. अभी के लिए problem is solved. And I was able to check off so many things from my to-do list. आज का दिन अभी तक has been super productive. And now I'm gonna chill because chilling is important too. I just realized I am wearing this shirt after 2 years. मुझे ये इतनी ज़्यादा पसंद थी बट आई डू नॉट नो व्हाट हैपेंड एंड सडनली मैंने ये पहननी बंद कर दी एंड द रीजन आई एम गेटिंग रेडी इज बिकॉज आई एम गोना वॉच डेविल वेयर्स प्राडा 2 सो आई वॉज डिबेटिंग ईदर टू कॉल अ गर्लफ्रेंड और गो अलोन टू द थिएटर्स बिकॉज ये मूवी ना थोड़ी सी गर्ली है बट देन ऐसे ही हम बैठे थे एंड आई टोल्ड एवी दैट आई वांट टू सी डेविल वेयर्स प्राडा 2 बिकॉज मैंने उसकी फर्स्ट पार्ट देखी थी एंड आई रियली लाइक्ड इट एंड बिफोर आई कुड से एनीथिंग ही वाज लाइक ठीक है चलो एंड आई टोल्ड हिम इट्स अ गर्ली मूवी थोड़ा फैशन बेस्ड है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट मे बी यू विल नॉट एंजॉय इट बट ही वाज लाइक कोई बात नहीं आई विल गो विद यू आई इवन लाइक वॉचिंग इट एंड्स विद अस विद यू सो चलते हैं टू बी ऑनेस्ट दिस इज व्हाट पार्टनर्स आर फॉर लाइक मैंने भी like I've watched my fair share of Marvel movies and I really love them like Iron Man is my favorite but आज का प्लान ना ऐसे ही बन गया and I have zero complaints I am really happy so yeah फटाफट से ready होके I will head out so let's pack my bag I recently got this from Lifestyle ये Allen Solly से है I will link it in the description because this is available online the first thing I'm gonna carry is my wallet the lipstick I'm wearing right now this is Maybelline की Seductress I have repurchased this twice and this is a constant in my collection then I have this little pouch I'm gonna quickly show you what's inside some cash be safe a claw clip a छोटी सी comb contacts का case with solution because I wear contacts a hand cream my MAC का compact this is so old but I like to keep it handy a remote to click pictures ये ऐसे ही पड़ा है पता नहीं कितने सालों से car keys apparently पापा के घर की चाबी I always have a spare one some more cash a hand sanitizer I probably need to throw this away because ये बहुत पुराना है but I'm not sure do they expire some Zara के roll-ons yeah that's oh it's fine it's fine and yeah that is it that is what I usually carry with me anywhere I go everything fits perfectly
About to have your second baby.
Hi, I just wanted to tell you that the story broke online.
Hello, Tip.
Sorry. Who is this? Do you know her? Do I know her?
You might remember Andy. She was one of the Emilys.
The smart fat girl.
मूवी कैसी लगी
मूवी अच्छी थी
वो-
के लिए बहुत अच्छी थी
बोर तो नहीं हुए
नहीं
नहीं I don't know if you can tell right now, but my eyes they are red. I am super tired. Also, the movie was great. मैं ना movies को psychoanalyze नहीं करती. I just go to have fun. But I will say this one thing. कि the first part was better than the second part because I feel like characters की ना एक अपनी personal life ज़्यादा portray की हुई है first part में सेकेंड पार्ट में वो थोड़ा सा मिसिंग है दैट डज नॉट मीन मेरिल स्ट्रीप एंड एन हैथवे डिड नॉट डू अ फिनोमिनल जॉब बिकॉज दे डिड देयर हार्ड वर्क क्लियरली शोज एंड इट वॉज वेरी वेरी फन टू वॉच मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सीक्वल्स के साथ ना ऐसा होता ही है लाइक 90% ऑफ द टाइम्स द फर्स्ट पार्ट is better than the second but anyways I had lots of fun and AB wasn't bored so I'm happy मैंने अपनी to do list ditch नहीं किया है there's only one thing left on the list and that is I need to read so before going to bed I'm gonna make sure to read at least 5 pages or a chapter of this book इसमें वैसे भी ना chapters बहुत small हैं so yeah I'll read something and go to bed. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आज का दिन ना प्रोडक्टिव होने के साथ साथ बहुत बैलेंस था because I had lots of fun. मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें टिक ऑफ भी की. All in all, I enjoyed my day and yeah, like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna see you very soon in the next one. Take care. Good night. Bye.